So we've got a break in the rain, and I'm gonna go and try a run today and get that over with, and then maybe later this evening go to the gym or do some workout at home. I don't know, but I want to get some running in before it starts to pour again. So here we go. Just got done running 3.1 miles, and again I didn't have to walk, so that's a plus. I wanted to see if I could do it again after the weekend of debauchery I had. It wasn't that bad, but I ate food that I shouldn't eat, and I ate a lot of it, to the point where I got, like Sunday, I was sick all Sunday from what I ate the night before, and then I ate more on Sunday night. So I wanted to see if I could, Monday morning, I could still run and not die. And so I was able to do 3.1 miles without walking, which again is a huge jump. So trying to get home. I'm on my cool down walk, but I might have to run home because it's starting to rain again, but feels really good. Only problem is my phone's not waterproof, and that could be an issue. What'd you do?
Poop.
You pooped? Yeah, I pooped.
I poop.
Yeah, I don't think you did. I just checked. You had no poop in there. You toot a little and thought you did, huh? Go, Bubba. It stopped raining. On our way to Mimi and Papa's. Brookie, where are we going?
To Mimi and Papa.
Woo!
It was Steelers game.
No Steelers game tonight. Sky looks awesome, so we're just taking a time lapse of it. Don't get me wrong, I love doing daily vlogs. I don't have anything going on in my life to fill up, 6 minutes of video. And plus I feel like the daily vlogs, they take away from why I started this in the first place, and that was all about my running and fitness journey. And so I'm gonna try to get back to that a little bit more with the Monday, Wednesday, Friday setup. And go from there. I'm also going to try to film other videos. I love to do a lot of other things like hike and fly fish and just general outdoor activities, so I might try to upload some videos doing some of that stuff here and there as well. So hopefully the channel will start to fill up, start to have some pretty good content, and go from there. Well, also I just want to thank everybody who has tuned into my vlog so far, who's liked and commented and subscribed. It really means a lot to me, and thank you guys so much.